Hello, I'm Teacher Megan Spoors from teachermeganspoors.com. Today's video, we are going to go over the two options that you have to complete your VIPKID demo lesson. As of today, February 2021, VIPKID is only offering two options for your demo at this time, and those are a recorded demo and the smart demo. So if you see anything out there that talks about a live demo of scheduling a one-on-one class with a live person, that is no longer an option for the demo lesson. So you have the recorded demo where you go into the classroom, you have the slides ahead of time that you can download. You know exactly which slides you're going to teach, so you can have your props, you can practice, and you know exactly what's expected of you. That is a big pro. The con to the recorded demo, unfortunately, is that it's still not very much. It's only like 6 slides, which is not very much at all. And you have about 5 minutes, and there is a timer in the classroom. Don't worry, if you mess up and you need to try again, you can stop and then try it again. Not a problem. Okay, your second option is the smart demo. The smart demo is where you go and you download the VIPKID Teach app and you just do the demo from your phone, which is really easy to do. And you only have to do one slide. That's it. And you have about 2.5 minutes to do that one slide. But within that one slide, you need to give at least 3 rewards. That's one of the feedback that they're looking for. You need props, you need rewards just to teach that those 1 or 2 slides. Again, very simple, very quick, very easy. However, the slides on the smart demo are always changing, so you don't necessarily know what you're going to be teaching. And when you go into the practice classroom and they give you a slide to practice, that's not necessarily what you're going to be teaching once you hit the record button. So keep that in mind. You might be practicing one thing and then you get into your demo and it's something else. So don't let that throw you off, okay? So that is a possibility. From what I'm seeing, they are something along the lines of a verb conjugation, like, likes, run, runs. So that's something that's easy to prep ahead of time. I have a link down below if you would like to submit your email. I can provide you with a packet that are 2D props that have a verb conjugation cute little chart that you can print off and use in your classroom. Or you can use a whiteboard, a blank piece of paper, even a post-it note, as long as you have some props. So those are your two options, recorded demo, smart demo. There are pros and cons to both. The pros to the recorded demo, you know exactly which slides you're going to be teaching. You can practice ahead of time. You can have your props and be better prepared. The second option is the smart demo, and the pro to that is there's only 1 or 2 slides and you're done in 2.5 minutes. But even with the recorded demo, it's only 5 minutes. So that's it. They're both really easy. Whatever you decide that works best for you. If you're a planner, which I am, I'm a planner. I like to know what's going to be expected of me so I can practice. You can choose the recorded demo. If you've been doing this ESL thing with another company for a little while and you're kind of used to how to teach these types of slides, then the smart demo might be something that's good for you. You can jump right in and teach that. Keep in mind, like, the pattern that I have seen, it can change at any time, but the pattern that I've seen are verb conjugations for the smart demo. Regardless of which path that you choose, make sure you're keeping, check out my video of the 8 tips of what VIPKID is looking for in your smart demo. These tips came directly off the VIPKID website, all right? So make sure you're using TPR, you have props, teacher instructions, of good background. Even if you have to use a blank wall for the demo, that's okay. Make sure you have some adequate lighting, some props, you know, like a whiteboard, maybe some 2D props, some 3D props. If you can bring in some 3D props, that would be great. So those are just some tips that you have, and those are options that you have for your demo lesson. two options: recorded demo, smart demo. There's pros and cons to both. Just want to give you the facts so that you guys can make your best decision, your best educated decision. Do what works best for you, whatever you're more comfortable with, okay? Find your own teaching style, find your own groove, do your own thing. You don't have to teach exactly the way that I do. Everyone has their own teaching style, and just my biggest tip is just to have fun with it. All right, good luck guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye. I want to be using props, which I don't have any in front of me. I don't have any props in front of me. Maybe I should go get some props. Hold please. Hey guys, it's Teacher Megan Spoors back again. Guess who's back? Back again. She's back. Tell a friend. Just gonna wait for that airplane to fly over. Props. Props are a very nice one. I have no props in front of me. Again.